for an algorithm takes 1 millisecond for an input size of 64. How long will it take for an input size of 2048 if the running time of the program is like this? It says that we have a C, because these are the, as I said, these are in the order of C times n square times log n. For example, it's the A part. When it is input sizes at 64, which is the n, then it will say that it is C times 64 squared log 46. And it will take just one time. This is just 1 millisecond. So from here, we can get that C is 1 over C is 1 over, it is the 2 to the 12 times, it is just 6. Then C is equal to 1 over 2 to the 12, then times 6. When it is, so we have the C for that A, but these C constants are different for B, C, and D. It is C is the platform constant. Okay, for the A platform, these are different platforms because it will take different times, and it's for that platform, the C is that one. And also it also asks that for that C, how do we get, what is the time of the getting this input size? Let's say this time C times 2048 square times 2048. And we know that C is that value, then it is our result, which is the that value. I will not calculate, but I know. You can check if you want. But this is 1 millisecond. But this time we are just putting C and changing the n because it's first. It's kind of a ratio. It's getting a ratio. If I get 1 millisecond, or if I do whole task in 1 millisecond with this input size, then how will it take if get this input size in the same computer with the same platform constant? Because C is the same for both of them, because it's same computer. Same computer. So that means that these are same platform. So because of that, C are the same for both of them. But if it takes 1 millisecond, how long it will take if I get that much input size? Then it will get that value. These are the same also. Let's move on to B. If I get C times N3 is 1 millisecond, then let's say it is 64. Sorry, C is 1 over that value, or it is 1 over 2 to the 18, because 2 to the 6 times 3. Then I will get that one, C times 2048 cube, and we know that one, and we are just multiplying them. It gives us this value. You can check if you want. And that one is also same. It is just C times square root of m. It is 1 millisecond. Then C is 1 over square root of m. Then it is for that case. Sorry, it will be 64. It is 1 over 8, I think. Then what is this? C times it is the 5.7 per second. And the last one is also the same D. That's O n square. Okay. C times n square. C times is 1 millisecond. Then C is 1 over 2 to the, I think like this. Okay. Then what is the C times 2048 square? It will give us a 1000 microseconds. So these are mechanic things. You can, I think, these are all same. Okay.